Hello?
Welcome. Design to edit. We are starting the Canva learning course for beginners. In this course, you will learn Canva from basic to advanced. Let's design like a pro. Let's begin with a simple question. What exactly is Canva? Canva is a powerful web-based design tool that allows anyone to create graphics, presentations, social media posts, videos, and much more without needing advanced design skills. It's available both as a desktop application and as a mobile app, making it easy to design anytime, anywhere. What can you create with Canva? With Canva, you can design YouTube thumbnail poster, Instagram post, resume presentation, templates, and even edit videos. Canva has both free and paid versions. In the free version, you get thousands of templates, elements, and design tools. In the pro version, you get extra features like background remover, premium templates, and brand kits. If you want to learn Canva completely, follow this playlist. Thank you for watching.